In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Asana. Asana is a great project management tool that helps you easily organize and track your upcoming content, ensuring that everything is well planned and on schedule. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a larger team, a content calendar is crucial to maintaining a consistent output and keeping everyone on the same page. First, let's navigate to Asana and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're signed in, head over to your workspace or project where you want to set up your calendar. Now, let's create a new project by clicking on the button typically found on the sidebar or at the top of your dashboard. Choose the option to create a project from a template and select Content Calendar from the list of templates Asana offers. This template is a great starting point because it comes preloaded with fields and views optimized for managing a content schedule. Once your project is created, it's time to customize it to fit your specific needs. You might want to adjust the sections for content ideas, in-progress items, and published content according to your workflow. Renaming these sections can help them better align with the stages of your content production process. Now, we'll add some tasks. Tasks are essentially the individual pieces of content you plan to create. When adding a task, give it a descriptive title so it's easy to identify at a glance. You can also include a due date by using the calendar feature available within the task details. This ensures everything stays on track and deadlines are clearly visible. Next, let's assign tasks to team members. If you're working in a team, click the Assign button within each task and select the team member responsible for that piece of content. This way, everyone knows what they're accountable for, and you can manage workloads effectively. To enhance clarity, consider utilizing Asana's custom fields. These allow you to add specific categories or tags to your tasks, such as content type, priority level, or target platform. This customization helps you filter and sort tasks quickly, making the calendar more functional. Finally, explore different views Asana offers. The calendar view is particularly useful for visualizing your content distribution over time and spotting any scheduling gaps. Switch between views to find what best fits your workflow. And there you have it, a comprehensive content calendar in Asana. By keeping it up to date and regularly reviewing it, you can ensure a streamlined and efficient content creation process. With everything organized in one place, you'll find it much easier to manage your content strategy, plan ahead, and focus on producing quality work. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.